Jeez. At first I didn't think it was very big, but it's not small. Easy. Stay out of there. Do you see it? Hey, it's Ty again, and welcome to another episode of Get the Gaff Outdoors. And today's video, me, Mur, and Tank are out on the Mississippi River trying to catch whatever we can on live bait. Hopefully some panfish, probably some catfish. We'll see what all we can catch. See you guys when we got a fish on the line. Holy shit, Mur. Look at this thing. That's a jumbo. That's a jumbo. That's a jumbo. All right, I think we found a pattern. That was right underneath the boat. Yeah. Look at that. Where's the stringer? Put him on there real quick, like. That's like a 10, 11-inch perch. See if it's a drum, a kitty. Feels like a catfish. 'Twas right. Yeah, it's okay. All right, well, he's like just a hair small, but maybe there's some more. Maybe they're not all dinkers. That's another one. All right, so what we're doing here is just throwing little light Carolina rigs out into the slough. Everything around us is about 2 foot deep. There's about a 4 foot deep hole right there. So see if we can get a couple taps. Was it baited still? Look at that. Another giant on the ultralight. Oh, they're so, these are the ones that'll stick you. Listen to them. Got one. Well, this one may even be smaller. He's so cute. A little bigger. Wait a second, is that a catfish? No. No, it's a perch that I caught in the eyeball. He is just a hair small to keep. But hey, not a catfish. Hey. Pole bob got yanked in the water. Does not float like a catfish. Oh, it is a catfish. 'Tis little, as Mur would call it, a feedler. All right, we'll get him back. That was quick. That was quick. That was quick. Oh, geez, it's getting smoked. Still there. Got it. The other one's getting hit too. Pandemonium. Oh, this one could be keeper size. It is keeper size. Look at that. Look at the spots on that guy. Oh, what do you guys think? Is that big enough to keep? He's just a hair little. We'll throw him back. I can't keep up with my rods. This one was getting smoked while that one was reeling that one in. Oh, catfish. Yep, got him. Is that a double? Okay.
Skinny, what is it? Gill?
Yeah, on the bottom. He gut hooked it, so he's going on the stringer, but I mean, he's not super small. He's not what I'd like to keep, but I guess he'll go. He's bleeding all over me already. That's 3 species in this spot. No, I had a fish that was eaten. What a cutie.
What did you do?
Classic, you know, fishing meal. A peanut butter. Not peanut butter, what is it? Pumpkin cookies, honey? A pumpkin cookie sandwich?
Cream cheese frosting.
Mmm. That's good.
No, they died, but sometimes if you don't get dry weather, right, if you're really wet,
Yeah.
they stay longer.
He's cute, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put on a fresher worm. And another one. Oh boy. This is not small, whatever it is. It's not giant. I think it might be keeper size cat. Not bad. He might be the biggest one we've caught. I think he can go on a stringer, don't you, Mare? He'll give us a good stringer. He's just big enough to get a nice bluegill size fillet out of him. That'll be perfect. On the ultralight. Well, I tell you what, not the most impressive stringer, but definitely the most diverse. Like, I just shut my camera off.
That's the smallest yet?
No, unfortunately that is not the smallest yet. This one's not bad.
Maybe he's not that much an ultralight.
Yeah, that's the biggest catfish so far. Like, actually a pretty respectable one.
Yeah, that is.
He's got a big old belly on him. All right. He's not a giant, but he is an eater. I'll probably do it for our stringer, yeah?
Yeah, you want to eat him for lunch tomorrow or something?
Sure.
Maybe we could have some trout to add to him.
Yeah. We've got that turkey too.
Oh, yeah.
Lovely.
Dap.
You're in charge.
Jangle, jangle, jangle.
It was there a little bit. It's probably a dink. That is a carp. See about to take the rod out of the frickin' boat. When's it gonna know it's hooked?
Yeah, on the ultralight.
Jeez. Might as well be. I hope it's not a carp. At first I didn't think it was very big, but it's not small. Easy. Stay out of there. Do you see it? Mm-hmm. Was it a carp?
Yeah.
I think it's a carp. I think I saw a carp fin.
I just saw it late.
We're gonna need a net, by the way. So if you could figure that out, that'd be great.
What side you coming on?
I don't know, wherever side he takes me. Dude, they just fight so hard. Like, I hate them, but I love them at the same time. All right, yeah, get ready. Yep, coming right in. Thanks, baby. Oh, look at the fins on that thing. They're so red. Hooked right in the side of the moot. Honey, watch the ultralight. just got hit. All right, well, that's the biggest fish we've caught. We're gonna double up here. Oh, there he goes. Slimy, gross carp. What? Did you feel it? Yeah. You whiffed? Well, we're about to start the motor up here and head on out of the slough and down back to the launch. We'll catch you guys back when we're cleaning fish and putting them in the grease. Alrighty, time for the clean portion of this catch, clean, and cook. So I'm going to clean the perch last, actually, because it has really rough scales, really tough scales, so it'll actually dull your knife up pretty quick. So I'm gonna start with the catfish. And kind of like I said in the video, this is definitely the lower end of what I like to keep for catfish, but I do like to keep the smaller ones because supposedly they're supposed to have less heavy metals and mercury and all sorts of other pollutants sometimes that these fish can have. So that's why I keep the little ones, or at least I try to. And also it's better to let go of the big spawners too. So I get past the ribs, I let my knife find the spine, and I follow that spine all the way out. I fillet the rest off the ribs. And I also don't keep much of the belly meat because supposedly that is where that kind of stuff likes to hang out too. So there's one small catfish fillet. A little trick for skinning catfish after you've already filleted them is grabbing onto the skin and then pulling that across the blade of your knife. All right, because sometimes that skin's so slippery you can't necessarily hold it down and then cut. You just grab that skin and pull and your knife does the work for you. Nice catfish fillet. And here's the part that a lot of people hate, cleaning small bluegills. Now, I honestly don't mind it once you let them chill and get them cold, because that skin and the flesh actually just peels right off the fish super quick, even though it's so small. Just like that, right off it, and just one row of bones right there. And we'll just boop, boop. Cut those out, pull them out with our finger, and there we got a boneless fillet. And again, not a very big bluegill. It was gut hooked, I probably would have threw it back, but got a good piece of meat on it. That's gonna be good when we put it in the grease. And like I said before, the key to getting it off of the body of the fish quickly is having that fish cold. If that was still warm, or you just picked it up out of your live well and did it, it would not be as easy. The meat would stick to the bones easier. When it's cold and the fish is dead, the meat just kind of peels right off. That perch really dulled up my knife actually, so I'm going to need to put a new edge on that before the next time I use it. But that is the rest of the fish we caught today, at least the ones that we kept. Let's see here. A little Y bone action right there. There we go. All right, let's put these in the grease.
Thanks for watching this episode of Get the Gaff Outdoors. Hope you enjoyed this video and can't wait to see you next time we're chasing giants.